Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your small living room into a cozy and stylish space that reflects your personality and taste. Whether you live in a studio apartment, a loft, or a condo, you can make the most of your living room with some simple and creative tips and tricks. You will see 33 beautiful contemporary living rooms that will inspire you to create your own living room makeover. You will learn how to choose a color scheme that suits your mood and adds some contrast and interest to your living room. You will also learn how to use lighting, furniture, and accessories to create a spacious and bright atmosphere in your living room. You will also learn how to add some charm and character to your living room with well-chosen and meaningful accessories such as pillows, plant vases, books, pictures, candles, and more. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Greek Make Interior Design Solutions. So, if you are ready to give your small living room a new look, then stay tuned and watch this video. And once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I hope you will enjoy the video. First, let's step into this living room that is a perfect example of how to create a contemporary and compact space that is cozy and elegant. The light green and white color scheme create a fresh and soothing atmosphere, while the floor-to-ceiling windows let in plenty of natural light and offer a stunning view of the city. The gorgeous hardwood floor adds some warmth and textures to the room, while the white cabinets provide ample storage space. The light green sofa is comfortable and inviting, and the two white coffee tables are practical and stylish. The white with gray stripes rug adds some contrast and interest to the floor, while the white pillows and many potted plants add some charm and character to the room. This living room is a great place to relax and enjoy the city life. This living room combines contemporary and traditional elements such as a sofa and two armchairs, a modern light fixtures and a floor stand lamp, huge windows and long gray curtains, a gray area rug and a TV wall with two shelving systems. This living room is a smart and cozy space that combines work and leisure with a tiny working area and a compact living area, both featuring modern and light colored furniture, a glass door to the balcony, and a large painting on the wall. Let's step now into a corner living room that is a bright and cozy space that features large windows, simple furniture, white drapes, a cute rug, and some plants. This living room is a cozy and elegant space that combines contemporary and traditional style. The light gray and soft brown color palette create a warm and soothing atmosphere, while the beautiful and well-chosen decorative accessories add some personality and charm to the room. The small classic paintings on the wall create a sense of history and culture, while the floor-standing lamps provide some ambient lighting. This living room is a great place to relax and enjoy the comfort and style. This condominium is a spacious and style place that features a large L-shaped open space and a small and elegant living area. The floor-to-ceiling windows allows plenty of natural light and offers a beautiful view of the city. The transparent light gray curtains create a soft and airy effect, while the light gray wooden floor adds some warmth and texture to the space. The light gray and white color palette create a clean and modern look, while the soft pink color accents add some femininity and charm to the living area. This condominium is a perfect place to enjoy the comfort and luxury of city living. Here you can see another similar design to the previously presented one, this time a smaller open space and a more compact living room. But the elegance and comfort is the same despite the lack of space. Here you can see a small living room with paneled walls painted in light gray, traditional style design in light gray with gorgeous wooden floor, soft pink decorative pillows and throw break the monotony of the neutral decor. And that's it for today's video. We sincerely hope you enjoyed watching and learned some new design ideas for your small living room. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. We upload new videos 2 or 3 times every week, so stay tuned for more amazing content. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.